MCQs related to basics of accounting. You can expect like 3 to 4 questions of such type coming in your paper. Haris, can you please
Which
start?
transaction will increase both assets and capital by the same amount? So I wrote the answer as D. The owner repaid a business loan from his personal bank account.
So you want a transaction that is going to increase assets and it is going to increase capital. Why do you think this will be the answer? Why do you think this will be the answer? Owner
Miss, because
repaid a
the owner
business
is repaying.
from his personal bank account. So that means owner is using his personal bank account and that money he is pumping into the business, right?
Yeah, miss.
So owner is putting the money into the business. If owner is putting the money into the business, that means capital is increasing. How about repaying a business loan? When you repay a business loan, does an asset increase?
Yes, cash bank. Yeah, cash bank.
Cash bank increases or decreases when you repay the loan?
Increases.
Hmm?
It decreases.
Yeah, that is what even I feel. When you repay a loan, your cash bank decreases.
Oh, yeah, yeah, it does.
Yeah. So this answer would not be correct. Let's go to the other option. Because we want capital, we would see capital. Asset can also increase in this transaction, right? So see over here, I want a transaction that is increasing the capital and I want a transaction that is increasing the asset. Are you with me? So this transaction is increasing the capital because the money is coming from the owner's account to the business account. Are you with me?
Yes, miss.
When the owner is paying a bank loan, that means he would have used his current assets, that is the cash he would have used in the business, which was lying in the business to repay the loan.
Yeah,
But instead of that, he has used capital to repay the loan. So
yeah,
this cash, which was supposed to go down, is not going down and it will remain the same.
yeah, I understood.
Okay. So in the fourth transaction, capital is also increasing and asset is also increasing. Understand, when you see this question for the first time, okay, and you analyze it normally, then you would realize that you would say that no, this is not the correct answer. But when you go at the first 3 transactions and you see there is nothing that is related to capital over here. Okay, so that means your answer is option D. I hope you're with me.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's proceed. Mahad.
Yeah, miss. Which does not reduce the owner's capital.
Hmm. Explain me every transaction.
Yeah, miss. Okay. Business expense paid using a personal check.
Okay, what happens over
It
here?
the owner pays the business expense using his own money.
So,
I think it reduces the owner's capital.
okay, so this will reduce the capital. Very well.
Okay, then cash withdrawn from the business bank account for personal use. So this is drawing, so this will also reduce the capital. And C is
Cash
also drawings.
withdrawn from business bank account. For
Yeah,
personal use. So this is drawings. Yeah, this will also reduce the capital. Okay.
and same goes for the third one as well.
Goods taken from inventory. Drawings.
Yeah. So answer is D.
Answer is D. Personal expenses paid using business cash. So this is wrong, okay, over here. Miss Ravi has done it wrong. Answer is D. Come on, let's go ahead. Please read, Fatima.
What increases owner's capital?
Hmm. Read options.
Loan extended from 5 to 10 years?
Okay. Is this something to do with the owner?
No.
Okay.
Purchase of inventory on credit? No, that's not it.
Hmm.
Purchase of machinery is also not
Hmm.
it. Transfer of vehicle to business from private use, that increases the capital.
Okay. Increases the capital. So option is D. Go ahead, Haris.
A trader provides the following information: capital of 250,000, current assets of
Read the main
26,000.
question.
What was the total of non-current liabilities? So we
Hmm.
need to find the balancing figure.
So we make the balance sheet like this. Then what do you do?
We add the capital and the and the current liabilities, and then we minus it from the non-current assets, and we get our
You have
value of
NCL.
non-current
This
liabilities.
is your format that you should remember for balance sheet or the statement of financial position. NCA, capital, NCL, CL. The total of this both is capital employed. You should always remember this. Are you with me?
Yes,
Can you
miss.
start filling it? Come on, tell me.
So non-current assets of 300,000, current assets of 26,000. Okay, and then we have capital of 250,000. We have current liabilities of 15,000.
Okay. So how will you do the calculation?
So we'll add all of the current, all of the assets and minus it by all of the by minusing the capital and liability from
Yeah,
it, and we get
326,000
61,000.
minus 250 minus 15.
Yeah,
Okay, what amount you'll get?
61,000.
Option?
Option B.
Okay, fine. Fatima?
Guild statement. Oh, what is guild capital?
Okay. What will we do? Come on, tell me.
Non-current assets on the credit side.
Not
Uh,
credit side, this is the asset side and this is the liability side.
yeah, asset side. And in the liability side, we just do current liabilities, non-current liabilities, and capital.
Okay, what do you want?
We want capital.
Okay. So NCA is 100,000.
Current assets are 50,000. Current liabilities are 2,000.
Total assets.
Total assets is 150,000 minus,
Okay.
which is 148,000.
Hmm.
That's our capital.
Okay, fine. I hope you all are with me. Mahar, come on
Yeah,
next.
miss. Karen, Karen borrowed
What do you
dollar
want
eighty
to find
thousand from
out?
her father.
What
Karen's capital.
Karen's capital. Okay, fine. To find the
Yeah.
capital, we'll always do what?
make the will a capital is the balancing figure.
Okay, fine. Come on, read the question.
Karen borrowed $80,000 from her father and obtained a bank loan of $6,000. In
Okay.
order to start a business, she bought premises of $120,000, equipment $22,000, and inventory $600.
Hmm.
Okay, so first we'll just write all the assets on the debit side and all the liabilities on the credit side.
NCA.
Non-current assets
Yes. This all
is,
total.
yeah, yeah.
What is
The
the total?
non-current assets are premises and equipments,
Hmm.
which adds up to 142,000,
Hmm.
and current asset is 600.
It's only 600. Please rethink on it.
Yeah, only 600.
Harris, you have some other answer to give?
No, miss, 600.
Fatima? So you have inventory as 600. Are you with me?
Yeah,
But you borrowed 80,000 from the father, took a bank loan of 6,000. That means this money would be there in cash with you. Yeah? You borrowed 80,000 from your father,
yeah.
obtain a bank loan 6,000,
Miss,
86,000. Yeah, tell me.
didn't she use it to purchase this premises and equipment?
So she's borrowed 86,000 according to you. And from this 86,000, she's taken something for how much? 120 plus 22,000 plus 600. So where is the other money coming from?
From her?
Yeah?
Yeah,
Where is the other money coming from?
from her.
Just think and tell me. Try to do this. I'll wait for y'all to figure out. I told you na, that she has borrowed 80,000 from the father and
Miss,
a bank loan.
Okay, yeah, we received money of 86,000.
Receive money, but you will not put it in the cash bank because what you have
It
money
is a
that
liability.
you have used to buy all these things. Okay, and what you bought is much more than the cash that you have received. So you will not write that. And what she's borrowed from the father and bank loan, that becomes your non-current liability. So 86,000 becomes your non-current liability. So your capital would be how much? 142,000 minus your non-current liability of 86,000, which becomes 56,600. Are you with me?
Miss, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
If she spent less than what she borrowed,
Then
we
that
will put in cash
that
bank.
in the cash. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We'll go ahead. Haris.
What is the accounting equation? The answer is C. Capital equals assets minus liabilities.
So it is capital plus liabilities is equal to assets.
Yeah.
So capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Okay, fine. Answer is C. Fatima. Others also will do it. Only Fatima will help me solve.
What was Sarah's capital? You
Hmm.
make the account and On the asset side, we do non-current assets 44,000 and non-current liabilities on the liability side 10,000.
Hmm.
Inventory on the asset side, current assets
Current
1,500.
assets, right? 2,600 plus 1,500.
Yeah. That's
Current liabilities 3,300.
Mm.
Okay. So total is
48,100
minus
34,800. That's the
34,800 is your capital. Okay, there is another thing that they say all debit minus all credit. So this is debit, credit, 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 and debit. So even that helps you to find capital, but I would still prefer that you stick to this method for finding capital.
Hmm.
Am I clear?
Yes, miss.
So with
Yes,
this,
miss.
we complete the PPT for your accounting equation. Are you all with me? Let's do the
Yes,
next PPT.